Kani Gadega Patisi TV.
Shibanta Gajing Rakhe Gajing Dap Asnam ka Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Katnat Public Health Engineering ru kala pelong ka program ka blatep kum ka Swachh Bharat Week. Hakabala pelong ka jing ko objador tho ese bat kiwe. Ya gani Gajing Rakhe la pankut no anen kasngi ka artrek Risau. Kabalang ru kasngi kha jo Mahatma Gandhi. Hamadan ka badan hajan kalau kentang hamoplang. Hakani Gajing lang anen kasngi laidan lang ru ulat ka jela. Vishan Muganathan kum kongsan Commissioner and Secretary Katnat PHE uba DP Walang UMDC uba Lam Prang Bla Hakaju Por Bolong Ru Acting CM jo kahima mau plang nang tau Chief Engineer Katnat PHE uba SK Sun kirang ba snong nakaleng kahima mau plang pat nakiwe pat kisnong kumjo ki officer sarkar ka PHE bat kiwe kitnan nang taki khna na ki life art ki school nakaleng kahima mau plang bat kumjo ru nakiwe de kisnong ki badan marjan ulat ka jela hakani kasngi ula samro yaki kusnam si khna skol kibala jab hakji ko ba phero phe habakran hakji lang Vishan Muganathan ula kantu yaki nong songsnong baki dei ban ne khoi ban lai na ki jingpang ki bahar kom khamta mi ki khna skol na lor ka jingka jingkhia ki dei ru ban buat ya kanuksa jong khpa ka jai ban reu Mahatma Gandhi katkum ka jingkai ka jong u.
So this Swachh Bharat is for sanitation. Sanitation is one of the basic determinations of quality of life. Human Development Index. Good sanitation practices prevent contamination of water and soil. Why sanitation? To eradicate waterborne diseases. With BHED as the nodal department, initiatives have been taken to create awareness among the people of the state about the importance of sanitation. As of today, I am informed that 4,11,610 number of rural households and 3,40,000 number of households in the state of Meghalaya have been provided with individual household latrines. You, my dear students, you are more receptive to new ideas and you could be a good channel to influence your parents to adopt proper sanitary habits. I am informed that the villages in and around Maflong, Mount Gap and Maripsu are already ODF, and I am also very happy to see headmen of these villages are here with us today in a very good number. I want you, my dear students, the people of this area, to be shining example to the rest of the state. As Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world.
Kani